Have you ever felt trapped? Trapped in a job that drains your soul, in a cycle that leaves you exhausted, where the only thing you look forward to is the weekend. You wake up, go to work, come home, repeat. You're constantly trading your time for money, with barely enough left for the things that truly matter: your family, your health, your dreams. And then there's the guilt. The guilt of missing out on moments with your kids. The regret of watching your dreams slip further away with every passing year. And the fear. Fear that this is all life has to offer. If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. I was there too. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm an ex-corporate professional turned online entrepreneur. I worked as a banker for 15 years, and during that time, I was laid off not once, but twice, by two different companies. The second time it happened, in December 2022, I made a decision. I would never go back to the corporate world again. It wasn't easy, but I took a leap of faith into the world of digital and affiliate marketing. And because of that decision, I was able to escape the rat race. Today, I'm here to tell you why high-ticket affiliate marketing is not just a business model. It's a lifeline for anyone ready to break free from their 9-to-5 in 2025. The problem with most 9-to-5 jobs, let's face it, most 9-to-5 jobs are designed to keep you stuck. You're trading hours for dollars, and even if you're making decent money, you're sacrificing something far more valuable: your time. The worst part? It's not scalable. You can work 60 hours a week, but you can't work 600 hours. Eventually, you hit a ceiling. And that's where most people get stuck. They feel like they have no other options. But here's the truth. The corporate world doesn't care about your dreams. If you're not actively building your own freedom, you're helping someone else build theirs. Why high-ticket affiliate marketing is the solution. Now, let's talk about why high-ticket affiliate marketing is the ultimate escape plan. First, what is affiliate marketing? It's a business model where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale.
Hey, punch it like you mean it.
Simple, right? But here's the game changer. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Instead of promoting products that pay you $20 per sale, you promote premium products that pay you $500, $1,000, or even more per sale. Think about it. Would you rather work hard to make 50 sales to earn $1,000 or just one sale? With high-ticket affiliate marketing, you're leveraging systems, tools, and automation to work smarter, not harder. And the best part? You don't need to create your own product. The product is already done for you, and you're just connecting the right audience to the right solution. Why this business model works for busy people? Let me address a common concern. I'm too busy to start a business. Here's the thing. You don't have to quit your job right away to get started. High-ticket affiliate marketing is designed to fit into your life, even if you're working a 9-to-5. The system I started with showed me how to build a profitable online business in just 3 days. Back then, it was called the 72-Hour Challenge, a very affordable program designed to help you set up and launch your own home-based online business quickly. Today, it has evolved into the Leave Your 9-to-5 Freedom Hackers 5-Day Challenge, offering an even more comprehensive approach to get your business up and running in just 5 days. But here's the thing, I didn't invest in mentorship at first. After completing the challenge, I spent almost a year trying to figure everything out on my own. No one was guiding me, and in the hopes of spending less, I didn't earn much either. In fact, after 11 months of struggling, I only earned $3. Yes, just $3, even while running paid ads. That's when I realized the hard truth. I needed a mentor. I couldn't do this alone anymore. So I made the decision to invest in myself and joined POP, Passion Over Profits. Looking back, my biggest mistake was not investing in mentorship sooner. If you ask me, I'd say it's the #1 reason I didn't succeed earlier. But once I joined POP, everything changed, and I wish I'd taken that leap from the start. The dual income advantage. Now, Let me share what makes this business model truly stand out. It's not just about earning one-time commissions. It's about creating a dual income system that works for you. With our approach, you're not only earning high-ticket commissions, but also building a steady stream of passive recurring income. Imagine this. You make $1,000 in a single day from just one sale of pop, thanks to its master resale rights that give you 100% commissions. On top of that, you're also earning consistent monthly income from over 15 products that generate monthly recurring revenue. MRR. It's like having two engines powering your business. Big wins with high ticket sales and reliable recurring income coming in every single month like clockwork. This isn't just a business model, it's a freedom model. It's how you escape the rat race for good and start living life on your own terms. The mentorship and community difference. And I get it. Starting something new can feel overwhelming. That's why having mentorship and support is crucial. When I started, I didn't have to do it alone. I had access to 7-figure coaches who guided me every step of the way. And that's exactly what I'm offering to you. When you join this program, you'll get a 1-year mentorship from the best in the business, plus 4 weekly coaching calls to keep you on track. If you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your life, I want to invite you to check out the program that changed everything for me. POP, Passion Over Profits. With POP, you'll learn how to build a dual income system that lets you earn $1,000 in daily profits and create passive recurring income, all without quitting your job right away. Click the link in the description below to learn more and take the first step toward your freedom lifestyle. Don't wait for someday. Someday isn't on the calendar. Your time is now. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop more videos like this. Let's build your freedom lifestyle together, one step at a time.